Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a serious issues affecting women and girls, a condition that currently troubles one in every 5 women. Yes, I am talking about PCOD or Polycystic Ovarian Disease. Girls often panic the moment they hear the term PCOD, believing that it is an incurable condition. However, in today's video, I will explain to you in very simple terms exactly what PCOD is, what its symptoms are, and most importantly, how you can treat it right at home without any medications, simply by making lifestyle changes and using a few easy home remedies. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end without skipping, as the information shared today could potentially transform your life or that of someone close to you. Let's get started. First, let's understand in very simple terms what is PCOD is. Our body contains 2 ovaries which produce eggs every month. In a healthy body, these eggs fully mature and are released. However, in the condition of PCOD, due to a poor lifestyle or hormonal imbalance, these eggs fail to mature completely and instead develop into a small cyst, that is lumps, within the ovaries. Consequently, menstrual periods become irregular and the levels of male hormone, that is androgens, in the body increases. Let's discuss the main symptoms of PCOD. First symptom is irregular periods, either not occurring on time or being very light or very heavy. Second symptom is sudden weight gain, particularly fat accumulated around the abdomen. Third symptom is unwanted hair growth on the face, chest or back, that is hirsutism. Fourth symptom is severe acne on the face. And fifth symptom is rapid hair loss. Now let's move on our main topic, how to cure PCOD at home. Let's address the most crucial part. Can PCOD be cured at home? The answer is yes, absolutely. PCOD is not a disease but rather a lifestyle disorder. If you adopt these 5 changes starting today, you can eliminate it from the root. First is dietary changes, that is cinnamon and fenugreek water. PCOD is characterized by increased insulin resistance. To keep this under control, you can drink cinnamon water or water infused with overnight soaked fenugreek seeds every morning on an empty stomach. This helps boost your metabolism. Build a complete farewell once and for all to sugar, refined flour, that is maida, and junk food in your diet. Second is 30-minute workout, that is physical activity. Weight loss is the very first step towards managing PCOD. If you are unable to go to the gym, that is perfectly fine. Simply engage in 30 minutes of brisk walking, running, dancing or yoga every day. Among yoga practices, the butterfly pose, that is Buddha Konasana, and the cobra pose, that is Bhujangasana, are particularly helpful in improving ovarian functions. Third is reduce stress. When you experience excessive stress, your body produces a hormone called cortisol, which further disrupts your menstrual cycle. Therefore, ensure you get a good 7 to 8 hours of sleep and practice pranayama or medication to alleviate stress. Fourth symptom is take apple cider vinegar. Half an hour before lunch or dinner, mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into a glass of lukewarm water and drink it. This helps maintain your blood sugar levels, thereby aiding in weight loss. Fifth is stop using plastic. This is a very small yet crucial point. Stop drinking water from plastic bottles or eating hot food from plastic containers. the chemicals present in them disrupt our hormonal balance. Instead, use glass or copper vessels. So friends, there is absolutely no need to fear PCOD. All that is required is to improve your habits with a little discipline and the right diet. You can completely overcome these issues. I hope you found today's information helpful. If you have any questions at all, please be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your sisters, friends and families so that everyone can become aware. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health related insight like this. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you very much.